This creamy mac and cheese recipe is the only one you'll ever need. It's very simple and delicious every time. Start off by making a roux with flour and butter and cook it very well until the flour is all absorbed by the melted butter. Next, you're going to keep whisking it around while you slowly add in some milk until the roux becomes a rich, creamy sauce. And continue stirring and adding the milk until all the milk is incorporated into the sauce. Bring the sauce to a boil and then begin to add your cheese and stir it in until it's nice and creamy. This cheese sauce is velvety smooth. You could use cheese sauce on just about anything, vegetables, even mashed potatoes. But today it's mac and cheese. So pour in your cooked pasta and stir the sauce until it coats it completely. And there you have it. Delicious, easy, creamy, cheesy mac and cheese. Get this recipe on my website with all the instructions at createdbydiane.com. Sign up for email updates to all my recipes and get my free e-cookbook. Thanks for watching.